up guys, Major here. Welcome to my channel, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how you can connect your PS4 controller to your laptop or your PC wirelessly. So first of all, what we're going to do, you have to hold the share button. Hopefully you can see the share button. Okay, you have to hold the PS button and the share button, hold it together. You can see it's blinking. You can see it's blinking, like it's blinky. It's blinking. So you have to open your Bluetooth. You can see it here, ready to pair. Click on it and then pair. So you can see once you're done pairing, you can see the light. The light is now steady. It's now steady. It's no longer blinking. So it's steady, so you can use it to play your games on your PC. Just same experience without buying a wired pad. Yeah, so that's it guys. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, give it a very big thumbs up, share it to your friends that need help, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Major out. Peace.